Before we get to the presents, I just want to quickly mention that I am so grateful for my family and friends that were so generous to me on my birthday, and I don't want this video to come across as bragging or anything like that. I want to make sure that you know that I am so thankful for my family and friends, and I know I am so lucky to get all of these gifts. So I'll quickly mention this dress. I bought this dress for myself. I actually ended up buying 2 birthday dresses. Both of them are Zimmermann dresses, and I have unboxed them on my channel last week, so you've probably seen that already. If you didn't, I'll leave a link in the description box so you can go and check out this dress and my other Zimmermann dress in that video after you've watched this one. So let's get into the presents. I will probably start with my big present this year, but my main gift that I received from my partner was an Apple MacBook Pro. I cannot believe I even got this. I'm still shocked, even taking it out of the box. I just was shaking and everything. I'm so surprised. I haven't properly actually set it up yet or anything because I didn't have time to properly look at it. So this is the silver version of the MacBook Pro, and the screen is 13.5 inches and it is so thin. I couldn't believe how actually thin it is. I'll just cover this up because it has my full username there. So it's so elegant and so sleek. I absolutely love this, and I'm going to be using this to do all of my YouTube videos on. I have been previously using my iPad, and I was definitely running out of storage on the iPad all the time. Like, I could not film any video longer than 10 minutes or it just would not save. But this one has like something like 250 gigabytes of data. I will have no problems at all with this, and I'm very excited to get this set up and get using this computer. He also purchased me one of these USB card readers. This is adaptable to the MacBook. You insert your camera memory card into this and your footage will be viewable on your computer straight away. So this is just an accessory that I needed to use with my MacBook as well. Then I got the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream in Light. So this is the famous Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, but in her new edition Light. I haven't yet tried it, so I can't give you any feedback at the minute, but I'll definitely let you know what I think. Of course, the packaging is just gorgeous on the Charlotte Tilbury's. It's just a nice pump cream, so I'll definitely get loads of use out of that. I like the original moisturizer as well. There is some people that think that's a little bit heavy for your face, so this is the light version that she has brought out as well. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. So this is another gift that I received from my boyfriend this year. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Bejeweled Chest of Beauty Treasures, and this is akin to an advent calendar. She has created this gorgeous chest. All of these drawers are filled with little makeup or skincare products. I did suggest this as a gift for my boyfriend, but I was crossing my fingers hoping that he managed to get his hands on one in time, as they are known to sell out very quickly as well. So he did manage it, so I was delighted with that. Example here we have Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. So this is a setting spray for your finished makeup look. I'm going to do a full review on this product, for this whole product, because I have not had a chance to try any of the gifts that I've got yet. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that video. And the last present that I got from my partner was the Phantom of the Opera 25-year special edition on DVD. We were meant to see this in New York as part of my birthday trip that got cancelled, so he thoughtfully bought the DVD for me so we could recreate the moment as best we could. I'm very excited to watch this video, and I will definitely still go and see the musical in New York when we eventually go, but this gift I thought was very thoughtful of him to get me. So I'm going to move on to family and friends now, but I wanted to mention some gifts that I don't have here at the minute. You might have seen them on my social media as well. So I got a few bunches of flowers this year as well, absolutely gorgeous bunches. I'll insert some pictures here so you can see what they were like. And I received a gorgeous bunch of flowers from my colleagues in my office, and one from my mum on the day of my birthday as well, which was so special, and another bunch from my mum's friend as well. So that was 3 bunches of flowers that I received. Then I got some alcohol as well. I only have 1 bottle left here, which is a bottle of Prosecco that I got from my brother's girlfriend. Got some wine and some West Coast Cooler as well, which is one of my favourite drinks. I got some boxes of chocolates as well. I don't have everything here because I've already eaten chocolate. So these Lily O'Briens I got from my colleagues at work, and I got the Maltesers. God, I don't remember who specifically gave these to me. I got 2 boxes of Ferrero Rochers, and I got a box of Black Magic chocolate as well, so I got loads of chocolate. My mum got me an amazing birthday cake as well. I'll put a picture in so you can see it, but it was a shape of a Chanel handbag. I thought it was just amazing when I saw it. I thought it was so special. I didn't actually want to cut it or eat it at all. It was so beautiful. So that was such an amazing gift as well. This year I got a good bit of cash for my birthday as well, so I'll definitely be treating myself to something special during Black Friday. A lot of people didn't really know what to get me, and obviously with the shops closed as well, they thought it was a better idea to give me cash as a present. I got a lovely gift of Reiki and reflexology appointment as well, so I was super excited about that. I haven't been to get a massage since February, I think now, and I am big into massages and anything spa, so that was a very exciting gift to get. Okay, I'll move into jewellery now. So from my boyfriend's parents, they got me this gorgeous necklace, and it's actually by an Irish designer. So it's a little silver necklace, and it had Irish language on it that says Crow Alleen. Please excuse my Irish pronunciation. I know I should know how to say this, but it is so cute. That's a gorgeous necklace. I can't wait to wear that. And from my mum, she gave me a lovely pair of Claddagh earrings. So I always wear this Claddagh ring on my finger here, and she got me the matching studs. Next, I got some more YouTube related presents. These are the newer LED photography lights, and I got 2 sets of these, and I'm currently using them here, so you will see a difference in my videos. I hope the lighting is much better. I don't fully know how to use them just yet. I will be messing around with the settings to work out what is the best way of doing it, but I'm so excited to get those. Oh, sorry for the squeaking. The professional quality lights, I won't do all of the specs, but they're really good quality, and they came with 2 stands as well for the legs. I'll show a little bit of the background so you can see what that looks like as well. With it being winter now, it was dark after work every day, which meant that I could only film on Saturday and Sunday, which took up all of my weekend. So with these lighting set up now, I'll be able to film a lot more anytime I want, really. So it makes my life so much easier. I actually have no idea how long I've been sitting here talking now for. My throat is getting dry. Second last present, this is a gorgeous set of Newgrange living glasses. As a homeowner now, I love getting these kinds of gifts. 6 beautiful wine glasses here. So cool. There's actually a rainbow effect. Oh, I don't know if it's coming up on camera now. Hold up a second one. I think you can see some colours there. But I'm so excited to use these. I think I'll have these on my Christmas table this year, so they're really cool. And finally, one of the gifts that I purchased myself this year was, of course, my new faux white coat by Diane von Furstenberg. This was specifically for New York. I haven't gotten the chance to go, but I have kept the cash and savings that I had towards New York, so I didn't really want to splash out on a big gift for myself right now. So this was a happy alternative for me. So this is the gift that I bought for myself this year, and I'm super happy with it. Obviously it hasn't been cold enough to get anywhere of this yet. I still have the tag on here, but I am so excited to style this and wear this when it comes into the colder weather as well. I did film an unboxing video of this coat, so I'll link this in the description box as well if you're interested in seeing that video. So everyone, that is all of the birthday gifts that I got for my 30th birthday this year. I am so lucky to have so many family and friends that are so generous to me on my birthday, and I'm so thankful for all of the presents that I received. Obviously I would have loved to have been in New York this year, but there's always next year or the year after that, so I'm not so disappointed. I am so happy with the birthday that I did have this year. If you enjoyed today's video, definitely give the video a big thumbs up, because that really supports my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.